Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to run Java in Visual Studio Code. For that you have to download and install JDK on your operating system. If you are using Linux, you can download the installer from here. If you are using Mac, then you can download the installer from here. If you are using Windows, then you can download the installer from here. I am going to download this file x64 installer. You can see that it is 152 MB because I am using Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Then you have to download and install Visual Studio Code for code editing. I have already downloaded these files. Now I am going to install JDK. I have also given these download pages links on the video description. Now I am going to install JDK. As you can see that setup wizard is opened. Just click the next button again and again. You don't need to change anything. It is copying new files, registering products. It will take some time. It is successfully installed. Okay. You can check whether the Java is successfully installed or not using command prompt. Just open the command prompt, then type the command java space -- version. As you can see that it is returning Java 17.0.1. It means Java is successfully installed on the operating system. Also you can check whether the Java C is installed or not using this command java c space -- version. As you can see that it is returning Java C 17.0.1. Okay. Now let me install Visual Studio Code. The setup wizard is open. I just accept the agreement, then click the next button again and again. You don't need to change any values. It will take a couple of minutes to finish the installation. Please wait until that. It is done. Now I am going to launch Visual Studio Code. It is opened. You have to install one extension to run Java programs in Visual Studio Code. For that, navigate to the extensions tab like this or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Then type Java extension pack. You can find the extension pack here. Just click that and click install. You can see that the extension pack contains total of 6 extensions. So it will take a couple of minutes to finish the installation. Please wait until that. The extension is successfully installed. When you click that, you can see that it is successfully installed. Now I am going to create a new Java project. Please note that you have to create a new Java project by clicking this button. Otherwise the file will return an error. So I am going to create a new Java project by clicking the create Java project button. It is asking which tool you are going to use to create Java project. I am using no build tools. Then on desktop I am going to create a folder called Java. Then I am going to use that folder as the project location. Then I am going to create a new project called add two numbers. When I hit enter, you can see that it is asking trust the authors of the files in this folder. I am going to trust the files. As you can see that the project is successfully created. Open the src folder. Inside that you can find app.java. Open the file. Now I am going to define the variables int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 5, comma c semicolon. Then I am going to add C and B, then I am going to assign the to C. That's it. Finally, I am going to print the value using system.out.println, then C semicolon. That's it guys. You can run the program by clicking the run button right side of the window. You can see here. Just click the run Java button, red button. As you can see that it is running, compiling and running. You can see the output here. It is showing 15. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. That's it guys. We have successfully installed Java on the operating system and we have successfully rendered the Java program in Visual Studio Code. Still, if you have any doubts about this topic, then please leave a comment. We will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Java and Visual Studio Code, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.